Peanuts. They are remarkably delicious and nutritious, bursting with protein, vitamins, healthy fats, and minerals that do a body good. Unfortunately, this little legume is not so good for everyone. Allergies to peanuts afflict approximately 1.8 million Americans. Now, food chemists at North Carolina A&T State University are coming closer to a solution. They have developed a post-harvest treatment that shows signs of greatly reducing the allergen proteins found in peanuts. The potential impact has implications not only for allergy sufferers, but for economic development, says Dr. J. May Yu, who helped develop the novel treatment together with Dr. Mohammed Ahmedna, who led the study. North Carolina is the nation's fifth largest peanut producer, and the crop added $58 million to the state's economy in 2010.
This research is important to us, to the consumer, and also to the food industry.
Yu says the treatment isn't difficult. It involves soaking whole roasted peanut kernels in a solution containing 2 food-grade enzymes for 1 to 3 hours at room temperature. The kernels are then dried and ready for use. After testing extracts from the treated peanuts, the researchers reported that 2 of the top peanut allergens, known as ARAH1 and ARAH2, were reduced to undetectable levels. Because these 2 allergens are considered the most potent of the known allergens in peanuts, they served as indicators of the treatment's effectiveness.
Actually, it's a pretty simple treatment, and no special equipment is required for the treatment.
Encouraged by the results in the lab, A&T University has now secured funding from the United States Department of Agriculture to conduct clinical trials with volunteers at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Results are expected in less than a year. If those tests are favorable, the research team will then conduct consumer acceptability tests at A&T's sensory testing lab. If the peanut treatment clears both those hurdles, A&T expects to begin licensing the patent-pending technology to industry in the near future. Wayne Safransky, Vice Chancellor for Outreach and Economic Development, says one advantage of the technology is that it is both affordable and user-friendly.
The process that's been developed in this laboratory would fit very nicely into a normal stream of events in a manufacturing facility. So we don't anticipate that there will be a major change in or disruption of the type of production methods that they're currently using.
Safransky says peanuts are so versatile that they are a very popular ingredient in food processing. But the increasing issue of allergies has created headaches for industries and institutions. Food labeling and tracking is costly for industry. Meanwhile, schools and other institutions that serve food to the public must take pains to limit exposure. It is estimated that 75% of exposures to peanuts in allergic individuals happen by accident. The project is one more example of A&T's expertise in value-added food research. Current and recent projects from A&T's food chemistry laboratories have reported on the health-promoting phytochemicals that exist in grape pumice, sweet potato skins, ginger, wheat bran, and peanut skins. Such research is expanding the economic opportunities in agriculture, which is the Tar Heel State's top employer and largest industry.
The worldwide market for peanut products is very, very large, in the multi-billion-dollar range. And you can well imagine that because of the concern for peanut exposures, that schools, airlines, all of those areas where you no longer can see peanuts on the menu may now be able to offer those types of products.